Hi there, I'm Justin with Topdon, and today we're diving into something every driver should be familiar with, your vehicle's warning lights. These lights are more than just annoying signals on your dashboard. They're vital indicators of your car's health and safety. Let's break down what these lights mean, why they matter, and what you should do if they come on. First up, the engine warning light. This light can come on due to issues with sensors, the fuel supply system, ignition system, or related connections. Think of your engine as the heart of your vehicle. If it's not functioning properly, you could experience decreased power, increased fuel consumption, or even more severe mechanical failures. If this light comes on, stop or turn off your vehicle immediately. Check the engine's condition and contact a professional mechanic as soon as possible. Ignoring it could lead to costly repairs or even leave you stranded. Next, let's talk about the oil warning light. This could be caused by low oil levels or abnormal oil pressure. Oil is crucial for lubricating, cleaning, and cooling your engine. Without proper oil levels or pressure, you risk increased engine wear and even severe damage like cylinder seizure. If you see this light, check the oil level right away. If your oil is low, add oil promptly. But if the oil pressure is abnormal, stop your vehicle immediately and seek assistance. Trust me, your engine will thank you.